This is our room tour. This room is called a premium inside cabin, and it overlooks the promenade, the Royal Promenade. So I'll show you that here in a second. So when you first come in, of course, you got your bathroom right here to your right. Nothing special about the bathroom. General bathroom. Nice big closets. Nice big closets, lots of space, lots of hangers. And you, of course, can get more hangers if you need more hangers. So we put the beds together. So there are, it's a king size bed. Not a lot of plugs, but some storage next to the bed. A little bit. And nice little desk over here. This is all of our junk. And there is some space in here with little tiny shelves if you want to put stuff away, which I'm not a big proponent of hiding my stuff because then I forget it. There are lights on this. I'll turn these on so you can see on this little desk. And a few plugs. This is how we do it right here. We bring an extra charger because there's, again, not very many plugs. Now, this room sleeps 3 people. I'm not sure which one of these couches makes into a bed. Maybe that one, because it would come out straight into the floor. But these suckers are hard. They're hard. And you think you're going to sink down into the sofa? No, you're not. So beyond this, there is also blackout blinds right here. Little blackout blinds because the lights are on all the time. But down here is the promenade. And tonight there's going to be a big party, so it will be interesting to see what the noise level is. The bamboo room is right there. We're on deck 8, and so we have a pretty good view of the promenade. And I kind of like it. The room is plenty big enough to sleep 3. It would be crowded if you had a bunch of stuff, but we don't. So there's 2 of us in this room right now. So we are in 8593, and it's well positioned in the ship. So they say it's forward, but it's really kind of central. So easy peasy to get up and down to the promenade or out to the pool deck. So nice little room. Navigator of the seas.